Hey everybody, this is Troy from TR Tech Tactical and Survival. I got a package here in the mail. Let's see what we got here. Well, we got a pouch. It says MGear.io. Interesting. There's some stickers inside, a bunch of stickers inside. MGear.io. Different colored ones. And we got some, looks like some kind of a strap, MGear.io, a couple of them. And here we have a survival web belt, convenient little Velcro stretchy fastener. It's solid heavy metal in the middle. The clip itself is really heavy. Now I've got to figure out how, oh, okay. Wow, that's a strong magnet. This is about a survival web belt, and with a twist, and we'll get to that in a minute. I hope the wind isn't too bad. This is a very strong, very strong pair of magnets. I was wondering how a magnetic clasp would be strong and safe, but you've got to press in and pull out. So once that's on there, it's not going to come off very easy. You can't just knock that off. I was worried about that when I read about it. So that clasps on pretty good. And now on here is a unique, and I don't know how, I don't have any instructions, I don't know how it works, so there's a unique survival attachment on here. Okay. It's just magnetically on, and you've got a survival knife. It's very sharp here. Looks like you could use it for a gutting tool. There's a little bit of a wrench on here. I'm going to have to look that up and see what all the capabilities of that little tool are. But there's a little survival tool on your survival web belt. The magnets are powerful. I really was wondering how is that going to stay on, but that's on there pretty good. There is no worry about losing that. That is really good. So they also have a mess of gear and pouches that can go with these belts. So you can check that out. Okay, there's Velcro. You can adjust the belt width. So you can slide this through here and then slap that on your Velcro. Quick adjust to adjust your waist, the width of your waist. I'm going to check out the functions of this little survival tool, and I'll get back to you in a little bit here. So I brought it inside for now, and that way we can show you overall. There's your pouch. Now these are just some neat gift things that came extra according to what I see, because those are not in the kit. And the strap, the webbing is 6mm thick. I don't know if you can see, that's pretty thick. That's going to be rugged and hold up forever. And this is the M Klaw tool. Now I had to look it up online because I wasn't sure what we had here, and I'm actually happy I have this because it's going to be really cool and helpful for me moving forward because of all the functions of that little tool. We have here, this is a bottle opener and a bit holder. So like your screwdriver bits, you can actually slide that in there and use this to turn. I would actually just recently, I couldn't find a driver handle, and I made a bunch of extensions so I could get a grip on it and turn a nut out with a bunch of bits and extensions so I can get my hand around it. This would have done the job. That'll fit right around your bit. Pretty cool. Help you turn it. That is really good. And we've got here a screwdriver and pry bar. So if we have a look at that, that'll be interesting to see if you can actually turn a screw with that. That seems strong enough. This is 420C stainless steel, so it's hard. It's definitely going to be hard enough. And then you got here a box opener knife edge type of thing, and it's pretty sharp. It'll be interesting to see how well that holds up, and I'll probably be using that here in the next days and weeks, because it's going to be right at my waist to grab that and open up boxes. So that's going to be very convenient. So there you have the MGear Tactical MultiBelt, and that's the Pro Edition with your neat little tool. And this is Kydex, by the way, the front material up in here. The rear is heavy-duty aluminum construction, and we've got neo magnets for the belt and to hold your tool on the front. I can't wait to see how this holds out in the field, or holds up in the field. Now this is extendable up to 42 inches. One size fits all, up to 42-inch waist. So, and the belt is 44 millimeters wide. So I'll be trying this out and wearing this in the coming weeks, and I'll put my survival, little survival kit, miniature, let me grab that, hold on a minute. My EDC kit that I've been carrying for years, I'll put this on here and I'll wear it around and see how it goes, and see how this holds up, how the clasp holds up, and hope that I don't lose the tool. It feels pretty strong, so we'll see how it goes. I'll be taking this out in the field, in the weather, and put it through the ropes. I'll be wearing it every day for a while here and see how it holds up. So watch for the full field test and final review. And for now, check out the links below and you can go ahead and get yours right away. Well guys, a cool tool. Go on and check it out. This is Troy from TR Tech Tactical and Survival. Talk to you all later.